Today we're going to extract data from a scanned invoice into Excel using SenditSheets. If you're new to SenditSheets, this is their homepage. The first thing we do is select the document type. As you can see, there are a few options, but for our example, we're going to choose invoice. Next, I'm going to find the invoice in my computer. You can also drag and drop it here. As you can see, this tool supports PDFs, PNGs, JPEGs, and more, which for this example, this document is in fact a JPEG or an image. Okay, once you've found your file, you click Process File. This is where the AI magic happens. The system automatically maps the data and sets everything up. So take a sip of your coffee, and before you know it, you're ready to view your results. This screen here provides key information to help you identify how confident the AI was in extracting the information. And in this case, also how many line items were extracted and the total amount. All right, this here is a table view. It is very similar to Excel with columns and rows. You can review your data here, but if you want to see your invoice and compare the data side by side, you can do that by clicking the View button on the far right. And in this view, you can review your data as well as make edits. Another crucial feature is the ability to search for any particular field. And if everything looks great, you can click the download button. The system gives you a few options. I will choose CSV, and just like that, you have converted a scan invoice into Excel in seconds. Thank you for watching.